Generative design is a collaborative process between humans and computers to solve design problems. In this process, the designer defines goals and design parameters. The computer generates many design alternatives to find a set of optimal solutions. For example, suppose you're designing a medical facility. You want to place a certain number of rooms in such a way that the nurses can move from point A to point B in the fastest way possible. When you define goals and parameters, the computer quickly generates dozens or hundreds of alternatives to choose from, some of which you may never have considered. As a designer, you may only be able to come up with 3 designs in a day, but if you can create a design system that defines the goals and parameters, the computer can do the work of developing many alternatives. Then, you can evaluate the designs and find the best solution. Consider another example. The design of a parking lot involves conflicting goals: fit as many parking spaces as possible while allowing cars to drive in and out easily and safely. The computer is uniquely suited to generating alternatives quickly, enabling you to explore more options in less time and to make faster and more informed design decisions. For a more complex example, suppose you're designing a stadium, which needs to support lots of people and provide all of them with really good views. You can use mathematical calculations to quantify what makes a good view, and you can put that goal in relationship to the size of the stadium. Revit Generative Design harnesses the power of Dynamo, Autodesk Visual Programming Environment, to define these calculations and relationships. A Dynamo author creates a script or graph to capture the design parameters and goals of your particular design challenge. Then you use Revit Generative Design to run the graph in the context of your model. For a design study, you select the type of study to perform, and then select the goals and parameters to explore. The computer generates the design alternatives based on your input, improving each generation of outcomes to arrive at a set of optimal solutions. When you arrive at the best solution, click a button to integrate it into your model. Use Revit Generative Design to leverage computing power to explore more options, gain better insight into design alternatives, and make faster, more informed design decisions.